And welcome back to the Knit Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to purl two together. So if the pattern asks you to put two stitches together and it's asking for purl, this is how you're gonna do it. So making sure that your yarn is in the front as if you're going to purl normally, and so make sure that's in there, and instead of inserting into one like we normally would, we're going to insert into two. So just going right in just like you see here. This needle that I'm pointing to is in the front, and you're going to wrap the stitch normally for purl and then just bring it on through to the back side and slide those two. So that those two are now becoming one. So let's just review one more time. If you're asked to knit a purl stitch, then what's gonna happen is that you have to make sure this strand is in the front. You're going in from the front like so, wrapping the two, or wrapping it around so that the two are gonna be collected, bringing it through. Okay, so those two just became one. So that's how you do purl two together. On behalf of the Knit Crowd and Yarn Inspirations, I'm your host Mikey. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.